La 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 la.
Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to Let's Talk Nifty, where we try and predict what market is going to do tomorrow, 20th of October, the last working day. I had a bit confusion in today's podcast, which is pointed out by a subscriber. So I wish you a happy weekend again at the end of this. Okay, anyway, so as expected, market was extremely volatile because it did not open flat. It opened gap down and it recovered, and then it kind of came back again down. So a lot of people might have had their money burnt, but not us. We stayed away from the index trades totally. So Nifty, let's see where Nifty is. So Nifty got resisted exactly at yesterday's low, and it has made a negative pattern and it is on the way down, but there is some significant buying seen at lower levels. The reason being, Nifty is in the middle of a very strong support zone, if I can say. So many supports here, so it's not surprising that Nifty bounced from here, right? So if you see the daily chart, this area is a support zone. So for tomorrow, Nifty, if it breaks 19,500 and then makes a negative candlestick, we can trade it for a target of 19,375 and 19,295. On the other hand, if Nifty is going to cross today's high and let's say it gaps up and then spends some time here and gives us a positive candlestick pattern, then we are going to look for 19,725 and 19,775. So in this case, market can move sharply both sides, so again we need to be careful, but it won't be as bad as today. Okay, so Nifty clearing levels 19,509, 19,682 are our, so today's high and today's low are critical. We need to look at candlestick patterns which occur at either of these levels. So, or if it gaps down, then it's going to be a free fall for sure, and if it gaps up, then it has got some more resistances to cross. So if you can see, there's a double top also made here. So it looks pretty bleak. Let's see. Now moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was much better to trade today if anybody tried trading, but again there was huge volatility. So again, huge gap down. I had mentioned exactly this, that if it gaps down, you will see a pullback and fast pullback, and you might get caught in the volatility because you never know when the pullback ends. So if you are disciplined enough to take quick profits, then yeah, maybe you made money, otherwise I'm sure you lost money. So making money in indexes is all about when not to trade. Please understand this, especially if you're an option buyer, because 70% of the days are loaded against us option buyers. We have business only 30% of the days. Rest, the option sellers are making money. Let them make money. In our 30 days, 30% of the time, we are going to make 5x more than the option sellers. So why worry? But for that, you need to have developed that staying out power. And so, for example, I traded stocks today. I'll put in a video later on for that, which gave much more return than the index. Yeah. So Bank Nifty coming back. So it opened gap down and had a nice move. Very good move of close to 400 points, and then it went sideways, and then it almost reached the open. So Bank Nifty, if you see the daily chart, it has made a kind of an inverted hammer. So a gap up here could be bullish. So look for a strong start. If it gaps up, that is open and low are close together, and then we might get a move up to the high, and once the high is crossed and a positive candlestick is made, there's quite a possibility that we can hit 44,400, right? On the other hand, Bank Nifty is absolutely the weakest between Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if it breaks this 43,620 level, makes a negative candlestick, it will directly go to 43,152 and 42,906. So the levels are going to come very fast. So Bank Nifty looks excitingly good for trading tomorrow, especially if you are confident of your methods for both long and short. Keep an open mind and then we can make money. So I hope this is good input for you for tomorrow, and I hope you are able to derive value from today's podcast. And I wish you all a very good weekend and a great trading day Friday tomorrow, and God bless. Bye.
La la la.